Hey everybody, Mr. Alex here, and today we're going to talk about my very first cookbook brought to us by Sourcebooks, and the author is Danielle Kartz. Great first cookbook for first, second, third, maybe fourth, fifth, and sixth graders as well. Easy to follow, accessible recipes that a first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth grader can do with a parent, grandparent, caretaker, older brother. The recipes are easy to read, easy to follow, they're delicious, and you have recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner. You have recipes for drinks, don't worry, not the alcoholic kind, but all sorts of recipes that children will not only find accessible, but they'll find yummy as well. Let's take a look at a couple of them. I'm just going to randomly turn to a page in the book, and we stop at stovetop mac and cheese. Tells you the equipment that you need, the ingredients that you need, and take a look at the illustrations on the page. Easy, accessible, easy to read. Your child can read them, you can read them, and they provide a nice, fun, together quality time in the kitchen. That's one of the great things about cooking together. Not only does your child learn to measure, not only does your child learn to use kitchen appliances, but you get to spend time together with your child in the kitchen as well. It helps us parent. And remember, on Mr. Alex's bookshelf, we believe that the word parent is not just a noun, it's also a verb. So it's our responsibility to teach them all of these helpful talents, if you will, or develop the talents that they can use later on in life. Books like my very first cookbook are tools that we can use to help them develop and nurture those talents and those gifts. Go out, get it. I think you'll enjoy it. I'll see you next time.